Hello and welcome to another of AS Math Tutors series of Maths by the Beach. Today we're going to have a look at a calculus question from Pure Maths paper 1, October-November 2024, 9709/11. This is question 2 from that paper, having done question 1 previously. So the equation of the curve given is y equals x squared minus a over x, which some of you will recognize as an hyperbola, and we're told it has a stationary point at minus 3b, and we're asked to find the values of the constants a and b. Now from your calculus studies you will know that the gradient at any stationary point is 0. That's where the curve is flat. Since we're told that minus 3b is a stationary point, the gradient must be 0 at that point. So the equation of the curve is y equals x squared minus a over x, and we can change that to x squared minus a x to the minus 1 using our index law, a over n equals a x to the minus n. The reason we do that is to make it easier to differentiate. Remember that if a equals ax to the n, then dy dx must equal a n x to the n minus 1. Therefore, given y equals x squared minus x to the minus 1, the gradient dy dx is equal to 2x plus ax to the minus 2, differentiating this here. Differentiate x squared, we get 2x, differentiate minus ax to the minus 1, we get positive ax to the minus 2, because minus a times minus 1 is positive a, and minus 1 is minus 2. At the point negative 3b, x equals minus 3 from the point. It's right there in the point. And we're told that the gradient is 0 at that point because we know that it's a stationary point. So if we go back to this equation here and substitute dy dx equals 0 and x equals minus 3, we have this equation here. 0 equals 2 lots of minus 3 plus a lots of minus 3 to the minus 2, which simplifies to minus x plus a over minus 3 squared, or minus 6 plus a over n equaling 0, which implies a equals 54. As well as being a stationary point, negative 3b is also a point on the graph. So we have a equals 54, we need b. So going back to our graph here and substituting minus 3b into here, we have b equals minus 3 squared minus a over minus 3, which simplifies to 9 plus a over 3. But from above, a equals 54. So substituting 54 into here, we have 9 plus 54 over 3, which is 9 plus 18, which is 27. Therefore, the solution is a equals 54 and b equals 27. What you should do now is go and do a lot more calculus questions from the AS Pure paper, and make sure you can do them as quickly and easily as we've done this one. We will look forward to seeing you on future videos of ours. Have a good day. Bye-bye.